Please excuse my dog. She extremely loved me, so she really don't like leaving me alone. But yes, this is where we are going to film and do this unboxing because I really have no other space and no good lighting. So we are unboxing this particular box in my garden. So let's begin. This is the huge parcel which I got from this particular nursery, and I'm super excited to open it up. So here we go. The box kinda look damaged. So it's slightly damaged from here, but still we are going to ignore the fact and we are going to dig into what we got. So I have invested in a mic, and trust me, I didn't know that it would be such a good decision because the voice is so clear and I can place camera far away. So let's open this up, and yeah, I'm not going to waste this guys. I'm just going to unknot this. Slowly open the knots. There is no hurry, no rush. So yes. Okay. So we have opened our knots. Now I'm going to open the box. Okay. So as you can see, there are lots of leaves which are fallen, but still we are going to see how this is. They have given this bamboo stick so that the plants doesn't bend or doesn't damage, but still we'll figure out if there is any damage or not. Okay, and some paper. Okay, the plants look quite good. Let's see which all plant we got. The first plant which I received is this banana mangoes plant, and it has two branches here and it looks quite promising. The plant is very healthy, and as you can see the grafted portion here. So I'm quite happy with this plant. This was gifted to me by them. The next plant is this. So this is golden custard apple, and the leaves have completely fallen off, but we'll still keep the plant in like a shady area so that it can just refresh and get back to its normal this thing. But the plant is alive, so we are not going to trouble this plant. It's a golden custard apple ka plant. Next is this plant, which is Darjeeling orange, and as you can see there are like fruits as well onto this plant. There is one fruit and the plant is quite bushy. I really like quality of this particular plant. I think this nursery seems to be one of the best nursery I have come across, and I'm extremely happy with the purchase. Next plant which we got is okay. So this is the next plant. It's uh, a blackberry plant, and I'm very happy with this plant because it looks so fresh. It has thorns here, but I didn't wanted to spend more on thornless variety of plant, but this looks quite promising to me and I'm very excited. Next is okay, next is Barivan Malta. It's a Malta ka plant, and look at the size of the plant. It is humongous. It's very huge. There was one fruit here which must have fallen off, but it's okay. We are going to like make this plant survive first, and we'll shower this plant with some cold water. But look at the size of the plant is humongous. And finally I got this particular Kagji lemon. Okay, the lemon are the plant is damaged slightly, but still it's all right. we are going to try to fix this, but it's a bushy plant and I'm really excited about this particular nursery. Look at their plants, they are so healthy and so good. But yeah, so these are all your plant which I got. This is Kagzi lemon and I really wanted a lemon ka plant, so I got this particular plant and I'm really happy with the purchase. And yes, that was it. So finally they even sent us some uh, oh, there is another plant which I'm not sure what it is. Okay, this is um a narca plant, pomegranate plant, and the leaves are completely fallen off. But let's see if this makes it or not. But yeah, this is another plant and it is a quite a huge plant as well, and I'm very happy that I got this particular plants from this nursery. And yeah, they even sent some manure and some fungicides, so I'm really happy. I'll quickly show next what I'll do. Before showering some water, I'm quickly gonna unwrap this particular wrapping. They have like pack even the soil with the taping so that the soil doesn't move, and that's a really plus one. Like I would give it a 100 on 100 for this particular nursery. Yeah, this is how the wrapping is, and trust me, I'm very impressed, super impressed actually. Now I'll quickly unwrap all the plants and be right back. Was F up, but still I'm going to explain what I'm going to do. I am showering it with lots of water here, so that they feel little less exhausted because they've come a long way. And here, look at them, they look so fresh after first shower. I have kept them out because it's raining and I want them to get some fresh water. After 2 days, I'll be showering them with some fungicides, and that's what I do for my newly bought plants. So that was it for the video. Do let me know if you liked it, and if you liked it, then share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.